want to do it again?
Ah! Wait, they all want it. No!
No.
Oh!
You said you gotta get one.
He broke the fence. Wait, it's not my...
You can't let
Here.
them stick their heads out.
Why are you getting in the head?
I'm just going to throw it in there because they keep trying to... Oh, look at the big cow. I didn't know we still had him.
Oh, don't let them,
Look what he did. Yeah, and he's...
don't let them put their heads on that, yeah. They'll break that, and then they'll be jumping across it.
I'm trying to make them put their head over.
I want to just ride my life. I'm gonna grab Ray. I'm gonna grab Ray. I'm grabbing Ray and I'm flying.
Yeah, somebody just told me. I'm gonna
You
go see. What
I
happened?
don't know. I just happened to. Ray, don't touch it.
Wait, there's more. Oh, look at the little calves.
Look, come here. I would like to show you this.
Wait, we gotta get more apples, y'all.
Tapper, come here. Tapper, look.
That's stick better.
Be careful. Some of them has bees and ants on it.